Hi everyone. Today's topic is basics geometry. Okay, I'll teach you the basic things for all classes like class 3 to class 12th. Anybody, any student should know the basics of geometry. Okay, so here we'll start from point. Point. How we make point? We just put a dot. Okay, this is a point. Okay, so this point can be defined as which has the point has no shape. Okay, point has no shape, no size, and can be represented by capital letters like P. Okay, P, Q, like that. Okay, so here the point has no shape, no size. Okay, another definition is the intersection of two lines. Okay, the intersection of two lines, point can be created. Okay, say a point can be created by intersection of two lines. A point can be created by intersection of two lines. Like this. If you can see, if you draw two lines, you see the point of intersection. See, this is a point. This is how you can create a point. Okay. Now coming to line. Coming to line. What is line? Line is the shortest distance between two points. Okay. So line is the shortest distance between two points. Say point A and point B. So line is the shortest distance between two points. That is the first definition. Another definition, you can tell that line can be created by infinite number of points in a straight path. Okay, infinite number of points in a straight path. This also a line can be created. Line is the shortest distance between two points. Okay, you can write down. Okay, you can pause the channel and you can write down, no problem. So line is the shortest distance between two points. Line can be formed by, okay, line can be formed by locus of infinite number of points. Locus of infinite number of points. Okay, if you start putting points in a straight path, infinite number of points, then you are going to get a line. Okay, next, the last one is, the definition for line is intersection of two planes. Okay, intersection of two planes will create a line. So intersection of two planes will create a line. See, for example, like this. Okay, like this. You can see two planes are intersecting and you are going to get a line here. Okay, that intersection of two planes, you are going to get a line. Now you understood what is the definition for line. Next we are going to study about what is plane. Okay, how you define a plane? So plane is defined as infinite number of points on a surface which is having negligible thickness. The thickness is not considered, it's neglected. Okay, that is called a plane. Infinite number of points on a surface. You can write down. Okay. On a surface, infinite number of points on a surface whose the thickness of the surface is neglected. Okay. So, okay. Next comes angle. Okay, angles. How many types of angles are there? So I'm going to teach you about the angles. Okay, so you take first angle. Okay, acute angle. What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degrees. So acute angle. Next one is right angle. Okay, right angle. Right angle, what is the, how much it should be? Angle should be 90 degrees. Okay, for this is angle is less than 90 degree for acute angle. For right angle, angle is equal to 90 degrees. The next one is obtuse angle. Next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, what is the angle should be? Greater than 90, okay, and less than 180. Okay, greater than 90 and less than 180. This is the obtuse angle. Next comes your straight angle. Straight angle, angle should be how much? 180 degree. So straight angle. Okay. The next angle is reflex angle. What do you mean by reflex angle? So reflex angle is like this. Okay. So reflex angle of x degree is 360 minus x, and the reflex angle of 360 minus x is x degree. Okay. Next one is complementary angles. Complementary angle. What do you mean by that? Complementary angle is the sum of the angles should be 90 degrees. Okay. For example, if you see like this, say x degree and y degree. What is the sum should be how much? X degree plus y degree should be equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So complementary of x degree is y degree, and complementary of y degree is x degree. Okay. Next, coming to supplementary angle. In supplementary angle, both the angles, two angles, the sum should be 180 degrees. So x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.